sir.
See you tomorrow, possibly.
Hey, what's your cell phone?
823. I bought my name. I got 290. 190 I bought. When we do that new tab, I can do that. It's right down there. TV, I'm working on a mile and a half.
Heading out this afternoon, expect a partly cloudy sky with some mainly dry radar. We are expecting a high around 80 degrees with a wind off the Gulf between 10 to 15 miles an hour. Tonight, we'll see clear skies on forecast, but overnight low around 65. For week.
Glad back. We don't have the world that we had in the past. We don't have a generation of Americans.
Rock will they wake up and stuff on 92.5 Fox News. And this weekend is the famous merchandise sale. Come find furniture ready from Fire Brothers Furniture Stores and Florida. They're cutting prices. The warehouse in Central Parkway south of Columbia. Look to the top. The sales infinite. It is big.
An opportunity like this only comes around once a year. And that time is now. It's the end of season luxury sale for them. Right now, after May, Lexus is made. Good afternoon, I'm Robin Wolf. Developing at 1:30, there were sirens sounding along coastlines this morning. The spread like wildfire by local song X-Fest. But the tsunamis that were feared after two massive earthquakes off Indonesia's coast today